Good day and welcome to Fespa. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21 magazine here at the show. I'm on the Vica stand, which manufactures the Dimense all-in-one print and cut machine, and with Alexei Etin and of course we all know Abe Weisberger. Good day guys.
Hello. Hi.
Alexei, you're Chief Technology Officer of the company. Can you tell us about the Dimense all-in-one pass print and emboss machine?
Yeah, so the Dimense does what the name implies. It embosses, it adds additional dimension to the printing, which is embossing up to 1.5 millimeters, and it's done by using foamable substrate. So our substrate, like a bread in the oven, it foams up inside the printer in the oven, and we're using special structural ink that reacts with the substrate and does not allow it to foam up. In this way, we are doing very effectively digital embossing simultaneously with printing.
Okay, so what's the background of the company? How come you're doing this?
Yeah, it's coming from wall covering field, and in wall covering we're using many different technologies for decoration. It's not just color printing, and our goal is to bring these effects to digital printing. Dimense is the first step into that.
Okay, and it's CMYK?
Yeah, it's CMYK colors plus structural ink that is responsible for embossing. We also have a variety of media with different surface finish, so you can get the same effect on gold, silver and other backgrounds.
Okay, gold, silver, okay, sounds like you've got a lot going on there. In terms of servicing the machine, sounds complicated. Is it easy to maintain?
Yeah, it's not that complicated. It's a standard inkjet printing. We are using reliable Japanese print manufacturer, the printing engine inside the machine, so it's quite reliable.
And Abe, in Australia, you're importing the machine into Australia. What are the main applications you see being used for this?
So obviously wall deco is the first one that comes into mind, because that's where the machinery originally came from. However, you can use it also for packaging, in particular personalized packaging and upmarket packaging. You can also use it for a lot of point of sales. Pull-up banners is one of the things that you can use it, and a lot of other applications you can use it. You can also use part of it to emboss into concrete and to things like this, so you can get a name of a company embossed forever. And in particular in shopping. If you look at a shop, if you look at a Mars or a David Jones or a Telstra shop or Optus shop, you could get the name of the company quite a lot in the shop without pushing it too hard, just having it embossed in or out and adding a completely new dimension to your comfortable filled shopping in the shop.
So all-in-one print and emboss, obviously it's a new concept to many in Australia. We're here at Fespa, but Abe, are you going to have this machine at Pack Print? Because you've got a booth there, haven't you?
Yes, so we're going to have a booth. The booth number is H18, so we're going to have a booth there, we're going to have the machine there, we're going to have some samples, we're going to have some prints, quite large prints there. We're going to have the machine running full time, so you can come, see, feel and understand more about the machine. And obviously we sold already one machine in Australia and we're looking forward to selling much more.
Okay, and Alexei, in Europe, what kind of response have you had and who's buying this machine?
So we have a huge interest. Everybody who's coming over, they are surprised. They do not understand how the digital embossing was done. We're getting a really good feedback, and there are many customers in interior decoration, but there are some unexpected ones, as Abe has mentioned, like concrete manufacturers who can actually use our materials as stencil to emboss concrete or other solidified materials. Point of sale is important as well. Here on Fespa we introduce materials that have a textile backing and they're stretchable, so they're easy to use in very popular soft signage application that is quite popular nowadays.
Okay, fantastic. So a really interesting piece of kit. It's going to be at Pack Print, so great for Australian and New Zealand printers to see there. Abe Weisberger, Alexei Etin, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Okay, this is Wayne Robinson signing off on the Vica stand at Fespa.